Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to hide a file or folder in Windows 11, 10, 8 and 7. I show you guys how to do it. Go to search menu and type File Explorer option. Click on open it. Select View tab and you just need to select Don't Show Hidden Files, Folder or Drives and then select Apply and OK for save changes. Now you just need to right click on the file or folder you want to hide and select Show More options and select Properties. Select Hidden, check mark it and select Apply to save changes and OK. Now the folder is hidden guys. If you want to get this folder back, then you just need to go to search menu and type File Explorer option. Click on open it. Select View tab and you just need to check mark Show Hidden Files folder and drives and then select Apply and OK for save changes. Now you can able to see the hidden folder over here. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.